good morning or good evening. I don't know where you are in the world. At this time, I'm in France, so it's good morning. And so in this new video, I'm doing weekly reviews of the market to try to express my views weekly. But this time, I'm going to present you at the end of the video three hidden gems that I think can be a trading opportunity. This is not investment advice, of course. This is just how I trade and how I would trade. So until the end of the video to see the three trading opportunities that I could see. And this is not investment advice again. So we're starting with my portfolio value. Previous week was not very interesting. Plus 5% on my capital, plus 2,000 in valuation. Well, there's nothing really nice happening on altcoins or Bitcoin last week, so nothing very important to tell you. This is just for my transparency that I am showing you my portfolio value. Let's get to Bitcoin. I don't know if you're new to this channel, but I entered on Bitcoin here on this cup and handle pattern. I entered at around 12, 13,000. So I have a very, very good price at the moment. And now we are trying to make this pattern. You call it whatever you want. I don't care. I don't care about naming patterns. What's really important to me about patterns is just there's a resistance and we need to break above it. Really, the name of the pattern, we don't fucking care. And there you can see we tried to break out, managed to do it with volume, and then we retested it, and now we're trying to go back up. And if we break this level of the previous high, which is 61k, this can go fast. This can go up really, 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 really fast, just like we saw in 2017. I don't know if you were there in 2017, trying to see the graph, sorry. So if I remove the log, you can see how fast it went up. So we can still have the same thing right now, praying for it. The total 2 is the valuation of the altcoin market cap. Did a very, very nice cup and handle pattern. As you can see, I really love those cup and handle patterns, and broke out, and we are in a bull market. The market is bullish, everyone's happy, that's perfect. This is the altcoin, so this is the big capitalization index, so Ethereum, BNB, I don't know, DOT, and all the big altcoins that are worth billions of dollars, and it shows you if they are in a bull market or a range market or a bear market. And as you can see, I think you will tell me that we are in a bull market. Hope you agree with me, because it just goes straight up. We are breaking resistance to resistance, making new highs. This is awesome. This is the mid caps. So if you don't know what the mid cap is, this index allows you to know if mid caps are bullish or bearish or in range market. Mid caps are the coins that are not small caps, so they are not worth, I don't know, 10, 20 or 50 million of dollars, but they're not big caps, so they're not worth billions. They're just maybe worth between 100 million to 1 billion. This is called mid caps, and this index helps you to know if the mid caps are in a range market or a bull market. And as you can see, we are in a bull market since we broke the previous high, retested this high very, very, very beautifully here. You can see we call that a retest. It's when the price comes to throw back onto the previous resistance that's now support and goes back up to continue the uptrend. Beautiful. This is the shitcoin index, which is a little bit bad for the coins that are in this index, but it basically represents the small caps index. So the things that are worth very, very, very little money, like 50 million, 20 million, 30 million. This is the market cap. So the market cap, I don't know if I defined that already for you, but it's you take how many coins there are and how many value there are each. So if you imagine you have 10 candies worth each $1, the market cap of your candies would be 10 times $1. So you have $10 of candy. Well, for Bitcoin, you take all the Bitcoin that exists, 21 million, and you multiply that by the actual price, so 60,000, 60k roughly, and you get the market cap. So this is the shitcoin market cap. It's the shitcoin index. Sorry, it's going up. We're happy. Next, Bitcoin dominance. This is very interesting. This is the almost the alt season indicator, right? It shows how much in a percentage. It's between 100 and 0. So 100 is Bitcoin represents all the market cap of all coins. All coins are worth 0, and Bitcoin is worth what it's worth. And Bitcoin dominance 0 is altcoins represent all the market cap, and Bitcoin is dead, it's gone to 0. Right now we're seeing we broke this huge pattern, huge double top on a monthly base. We need to close that monthly candle below. The monthly candle closes, as you can see, in 18 days. But if this breaks down, this can be very, very, very bullish for alt season, because it would mean that money will be pouring into altcoins faster than it is than in Bitcoin. That is what we want. If we want an alt season, we want altcoins to go up faster than Bitcoin. If it goes up the same speed, it's not useful to hold altcoins. So to the end of this video, I want to show you 3 trading opportunities that I've spotted. The first one is buy TOM to Tether USD on the Huobi exchange. I believe it's Korean. And as you can see, to explain it a little bit to you how I view the market structure, we have this bear market for a long time, for maybe 2 years. Then we have this consolidation, and then we have this breakout of this consolidation with huge volume right there, and that indicates that there are no more, the market is no longer bearish, it's no longer selling, there it's neutral, and now we broke and made a new high and it's become bullish. So I'm not going to give you a trading plan, because I'm not telling you to trade that. It's just how I view my trading opportunities, and I'm presenting it to you. It's not investment advice. Please don't lose all your money on shit coins. Be careful and learn how to invest, please. Next is Front USD on Huobi. Huge bullish market. Very, very strong momentum. And now you can see it made a nice correction. It has digested the very, very huge candles that it did. And now what I would like to see is a nice breakout above this level, and it to go above, and I would enter on this level. I'm not giving you a trading plan, because for a trading plan you need your entry, you need how much you put into the market, how much you afford to lose, what is your exit point if the trade does not go like you want it to be, where do you take profits, and all that kind of stuff. So trading is much more complicated than drawing lines. It's just presenting you small trading opportunities. And another one, this one is amazing. This one is a BTC pair, so it's USDBTC, and it's just trying to get bullish. You see this horrible bear market that destroyed everyone. I think all of you who stayed from the 2017 bull market have known how this bear market has been boring and shitty. And now we are trying to make a bottom. So this is a bottom pattern. It can be completely invalidated because there is no momentum whatsoever. It has not started to go up yet. But for me, I really like to try to take moments like that. And I would try to take that if I see a breakout. As you can see, I love breakouts. To give you an idea of how it can look like, I'm going to show you BAXBTC. That was on Huobi, and I spot this little breakouts here. You remember this one had the same pattern roughly, and it closed above and then went up very fast, 130%. So I was a little bit sad that I didn't put money on it, but you know, it's trading. It's how trading is. You can be on everything. All right, so I hope those things helped you see a little bit better in the market. If you want to know about how I spot my opportunities, go check my YouTube channel. I have a place called Screener Tutorial. A screener is a tool that helps you screen and detect trading opportunities with technical analysis or fundamental analysis. This is very interesting. If you're looking for good trading opportunities, go check that out, please. I'd be very glad. And subscribe, leave a like. Follow me on Twitter for more information about my positions, and see you next week. Goodbye. Well, see you on Wednesday for a tutorial video, but the next weekly update is next week. Goodbye.